Great day guys, how are you all? Hope all will fine, doing very awesome. Today going to show you the gold trading expert advisor. Okay guys, this is scraping gold expert advisor. We made a deposit of $1,500 and a withdrawal is also $1,500. Okay guys, look here about the profit is $1,000 plus $37. And here's the history of the robot scalping. The best way is scalping and making good profit and continuously consistent. Here's a withdrawal right here. So the overall profit and loss is front of you guys. This is the power of this robot. It's perfect trading system for gold trading, and right now $2,706 is the balance. If you want to have this robot, you can contact with us. Check the description for investor password FBS Real 7, and the account password will be available there. You can check and monitor and come for this robot. Okay guys, have a great day. Best of luck. I wish you good trading. If someone in forex trading, because this is a direct platform and a lot of binary traders in my subscription list, so I'm asking if someone wants this gold trading robot, can ask me. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.